Good evening, traders. I hope you all are doing well. Conditions, that's what I always stress in my every single video. Only enter trades when we have a selling or buying conditions. Do not enter anywhere else in the market. Do not always wait for the entry condition. And I'm here to help you guys. We've been trading natural gas for the last 2 weeks. Every single analysis was spot on. That doesn't mean that I have a magic wand or something. That's how the market works. I can be wrong sometimes, but let's say if my analysis go the other way, I won't regret. I have my stop loss there. Also, guys, if you have not followed me on the Instagram yet, make sure you do it right now because I get so many messages from the traders, which I can't reply straight away. So what I'm planning to do in coming days, I'm planning to come online live on the planning to come live on the Instagram, so that if you have any questions, you can ask me questions there, and then I might come online on a YouTube as well, but Instagram is much more quicker. So just in case, if I come online to answer your question during the trading session, that would be a good idea to just follow me there. And if you have any questions, I can answer you there and then straight away. Link in the description. You can follow me by clicking the link there. So let's start with natural gas analysis. In my yesterday's video, I told you guys if the market breaks below this trend line, this ascending channel, it will retest before it makes the move down. Let's go and check what I said in my last video. It won't be long. It's gonna be 5-10 seconds. So let's go and check what I've said. So also keep an eye here. If this candle closes below this level, then we might see a bearish move, a retest of the channel again, and then another move down towards the support of this channel. Exactly how we predicted. So what to expect next from gas? First of all, if you guys have taken that trade, if you guys have entered the market after the retest of this level and enter the market here, then I think it's a good time to exit this trade here. It was a good 142 pips trade. So here you can see the 20 EMA has been acting as a support throughout this ascending channel, and NG is not breaking below this 20 EMA. I can still see this level, but it's more than likely to make another move up here before coming back to this level here again. If you want to take a short trades, only wait for the entry condition. If the market breaks below this level, and wait, do not just enter straight away when the market break below this level. Wait for the retest of this level again and see it's the market is not faking out, because sometimes the market breaks below this level and it ended up just coming back in the zone again. So wait for the retest of this level and wait for the bearish candle, bearish pressure, and then enter the market. I'll give you guys the exact point of entry when will be a good point to enter when the market breaks below this trend line and break below this ascending channel, retest this ascending channel, and then the market might move back towards this level, at least this level here, towards 50 EMA. Do not take any trades yet. That's all for now. I'll keep you guys updated as always every single day. Whenever we have buying or selling condition, I'll keep you guys in the loop. I'll give you a shout. So let's go and quickly check silver as well. Wow, that was a nice trade as well. So like I told you guys in my previous video that the silver has made a nice head and shoulder pattern. Whenever I get this sort of pattern, I do not miss it. So here you can see the silver has made the exact move I have predicted in my last silver video. So let's go and check what I said in my last video and what to expect next. I'll just tell you in a moment. Here, I can see a head and shoulder pattern here, and it has also broken the neckline. So right now I'm expecting the market to go all the way towards this level, which is a daily level of resistance, sorry, which is a daily level of support, or this level. Exactly what I said, exactly the point I have told you guys. I said was gonna hit this level or hit this level, but silver exactly hit our targets. So what to expect next from the silver? Here you can see we have a daily level of support, and right now if you want to take a short-term trades, the silver has already retested this level here, and we have a bearish candle. So it might what I'm seeing, the silver want to come back, do this level before bouncing back up to this zone again. So just keep an eye on this pattern. We already got this entry condition. According to me, we have this retest of this level, and we have a nice bearish pressure here, an entry condition to take a short trade towards this level, or this level, or this level, unless we have an entry condition like a double bottom entry here, or we have an engulfer entry straight after getting a bearish entry. In my upcoming videos, guys, I'll tell you how to take a double bottom and the engulfing entry and exact entry conditions. But right now, I'm just focusing on the analysis. So just keep an eye on this entry condition as well. And I hope you are getting a value out of the video. You guys have been following me from last 2 weeks or so. I must say we've been taking a badass trades. Every single analysis was spot on. But again, guys, that doesn't mean that my next analysis is going to be spot on again. No one knows about the market. That's how the market works. So sometimes our analysis can go other way around. That's why we need to have a stop losses there. Whenever you enter the trade, always enter on your own risk. Do not take my words on it. That's how I trade. That's my opinion about the market. And make sure you read the disclaimer at the start of the video before taking any trades. So I hope you trade green the rest of the week. And if you have any question, like always, leave a message, leave a comment down below, or send me a message on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Till then, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video.